Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Ministry for Labour put out one warning so them no know nothing about one message what they on social media was say Canada want people for working in them country. Education Minister Favour Williams carried the Jamaica Teaching Council bill got the House of Representatives yesterday. One COVID-19 field hospital up upon the ground at Savlamar Hospital in a Westmoreland yesterday. The Reggae Boys now qualify for the World Cup after Costa Rica beat them 1-0 yesterday at the National Stadium. Now for the full tour of them. The Ministry for Labour put out one warning said them no know nothing about one message or they on social media was say Canada want people for working in them country. According to the ministry, neither them nor the Canadian government no know nothing about the message and it a one scam, people not for look on it. On top of that, the ministry said them a beg people for check out if no foreign work real before them pay the money or give out them personal information. Education Minister Favour Williams carried the Jamaica Teaching Council bill got the House of Representatives yesterday. The bill a try make one governing body who would have run the teaching profession and them would have put in some things so would have license and register all of the teacher them what government a pay. On top of that, them would have the power to tap any teacher from work who would wrong things like a beat up people, kill people, thief from people or if them the fraud things. One COVID-19 field hospital upon the ground at Savlamar Hospital in a Westmoreland yesterday. The field hospital can hold up to 40 people. But Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said them can make the hospital bigger if them want. Dr. Tufton did a talk at the opening of the hospital and him said people need to go out and take them vaccine. On top of that, him say 2 years in the pandemic now and the science shows that people who not take the vaccine are the reason make people can't go back to them normal life. One contractor who work with the Jamaica Public Service Company JPS get shocked up yesterday when him did a fix some wire problem in a trench town, Kingston. The man in a hospital now in a serious condition. JPS put out one statement say them know about what going on and them are looking at it. One video up on social media where the man did hang up in a some wire and people are try save him. 3 men get shot and one of them dead in a featherbed lane in a Spanish town, St. Catherine, yesterday. The dead man, a 58 years old Desmond Beckford, who was a labourer who come from Martin Street in a Spanish town. According to the police report, gunman run down one man going to one shop. Them shot the man, shot Mr. Beckford who did in the shop and shot one other man who did outside of the shop. Mr. Beckford dead at hospital. The other 2 men still in a hospital. Now for sports. The Reggae Boys now qualify for the World Cup after Costa Rica beat them 1-0 yesterday at the National Stadium. Joel Campbell scored for Costa Rica in the 62nd minute after them did miss one penalty earlier. Jamaica lose all of them 3 matches in the qualifying window and them still left 7th place and 7 points. Them are going to play them last set of match against El Salvador, Canada and Honduras in a March. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.